this priest was quite famous a little while ago, and he smuggled the Finley children over into hiding in Spain. The kids had been refugees. Some relatives had turned up and wanted them back, but the kids wanted to stay with their adopted family, and Father Ibarbaru carried the smallest on his back, using the regular smuggler's route over the mountains. And when he returned that day as a cover, he played a game of pelot. Quite a man. Well, he lost the game. The kids are in Israel. No matter what your opinion may be on the matter, it's sure that the good father was doing what he thought was right. And he certainly plays a good game of pelot. I think we'll take one of our cameras over and give you a close-up of that hand.
Reteki den anden er en komplet spiller. Han dækker et meget stort område. Han er lynende farlig med både venstre og højre hånd. Når han griber ind i spillet foran, sker der noget dramatisk. Men han læser også spillet meget klart, og er ikke bange for at gå langt tilbage på banen. Han slår meget hårdt og meget hurtigt, og lige så godt med venstre som med højre hånd.
I played High Life in 49 and 1949 and 1950, and I never realized that there were women who didn't play High Life. I was really surprised when Parade came down and took pictures, Parade magazine. Catching the ball there, that's an action picture. That's purely a pose picture. That's you can tell. Hey, look, you finally see a pelota.